So today, yes, we have launched the new Huracan STO, and as the name says, STO stands for Super Trofeo Omologata in Italian, which means it's a racing car which has been homologated for a street legal use. So this car is designed with a singular purpose to bring the feel and the technology to our customers so that they can feel the emotions of a genuine race car. And we want to bring this experience to our customers in India with the launch of this new Huracan STO today. As this car is derived from our racing experience and from our racing cars, Evo GT3 and the Super Trofeo cars, so we have used all the experience and expertise in aerodynamics and on the technologies of this car so that this car can bring the same level of performance like our Evo GT3 cars. So just to talk about on the aerodynamics, you can see that on the front we have a new singular unit which we call Cofango. This is also derived from the Lamborghini Miura, which was the first super sports car which was launched by Lamborghini. So we have these air ducts, the lowers on the front arch, also the front splitter, and with all these design elements we are able to improve the downforce of the car and also reduce the drag. On the rear, you can see this air scoop on the car with which we are able to keep the underbody temperature cool. We have the shark fin which is able to improvise the dynamic behavior of the car, especially while cornering. And we have this 3-step manually adjustable rear wing which is able to give the right aero balance to the driver depending on the track characteristics. Apart from this, on this Huracan STO, we have used our expertise in the lightweight material technology. 75% of the external body on the Huracan STO is made from carbon fiber materials. And we have also worked on the technological inputs on the car, which is also derived from our racing cars to give them, our customers, the true feeling of a genuine race car. Like for example, the new braking system what we have on this Huracan STO, the CCMR. This is derived from the Formula One technology, and also we have the braking manager inside the car which helps our customer to see that how the braking is performing on the car, and they can get the optimum results from this braking system which is there inside the car. The V10 naturally aspirated engine on this Huracan STO. We have put all our experience and expertise what we have from our Evo GT3 and racing cars. This V10 naturally aspirated engine delivers the excellent performance, 0 to 100 in 3 seconds with a top speed of 310 kilometers per hour. So what we can say is that when we tested this car on the racetrack, because this is where you can see whether our engineers have developed a true race car, in terms of lap timings on the Daytona race circuit, this car has the similar timings as the Evo GT3, a few seconds difference, which clearly says that our engineers have been able to deliver a genuine, true racing car to our customers, which they can enjoy and experience the racing emotions when they are driving the Huracan STO. Lamborghini is all about personalization. Okay, with the Ad Personam program, our customers can have countless combinations in exterior colors, interior trims, and as this car is designed for street legal use, we want our customers to customize this car as per their lifestyle and preferences. If you want to talk about inside the cabin, you will not only see all the racing elements inside the car. When you are inside the Huracan STO, you will get the feel that as if you are inside the cabin of Evo GT3 car. You can see like the sports seats on the car, you can see the door panels in the carbon fiber. Also we have used the lightweight solutions on the door panels, and you can see the floor mats in carbon fiber. So we have used all these solutions which are lightweight and also aligned towards the racing car in terms of giving the cabin experience to our customers which is at par with Evo GT3.